honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my wig to look like a frontal. So I made this wig. I didn't make it on this video. I just simply wanted to show you guys how I have my wigs to look like a frontal. This is a 6x6 closure. It's not a 4x4 closure, which is the regular size for closures. This is like a 6x6 closure, but you can achieve this with the 4x4. So I bleached the knots, I plucked this closure, and yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how I style my wig. If you guys are interested in seeing this video, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I will be switching over to a voiceover. I'm not going to talk the entire video, but I do want to tell you guys key things that I will be doing throughout and explain to you why I'm doing things. So I'm going to start off by washing this wig. I just wanted to include this in the video just so you guys can know when wearing your wigs, you want to refresh them and give them a good little wash. Now, me personally, I do not put shampoo on my wigs. I only use conditioner. I don't feel there is a need to put shampoo on it. But if that's what you like, then you can do what you do. But I'm only going to put conditioner. I just want to reiterate the fact that this is a 6x6 closure. It is not a 4x4. Now, I am using a 6x6 closure because this is what I have. But if you guys want to see me create this look with the 4x4 closure, just comment down below and I'll get that out for you guys. I know you feel it too, baby. I want it. I know you want it too. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did attach a band to this wig. I just love attaching bands to my wig for extra security and flatness. So yeah. And I also already bleached the knots on this closure because like I stated, I have already been wearing this wig. So I bleached the knots and I also plucked my middle part as well as my hairline so that it can appear a little bit more natural. And that's what you'll want to do to have this wig to look a little bit more natural, given the fact that you're trying to make it look like a frontal. And usually with frontals, if it don't come pre-plucked, you're gonna pluck it. So yeah, I plucked the hairline as well as the middle part and I bleached the knots. So I know my wig head looks a little funky right now, but don't mind her. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my wig on the wig head and I'm going to pin it in place. Now, I always put my wig on the wig head when I'm about to style it or if I'm just leaving it there. But I actually didn't style this wig on the wig head. I'm going to show you guys me styling it on my head because this technique just didn't work this day. I don't know if I was lazy or I don't know what was going on. But I'm going to put some foaming wrap on my baby hairs or my edges, whatever you want to call them. And I did already form these baby hair, cut these baby hairs to size, so you can just do it off preference. And I always use mousse to form my baby hairs. I just feel that that is the easiest and it just flows so smoothly. But it just wasn't working on this wig head today. So this is what I would normally do. I would just get my wig ready the night before, wherever I'm going the next morning, and just wrap it up so that it can sit all night, and then just put my wig on. But it wasn't working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eventually just give up and I'm gonna put some more foam wrap on those baby hairs, and I'm gonna just slick them down so that when I put the wig on, I won't have to worry about finding my baby hairs. And then I'm just gonna form and mold my wig for the next day, and I'm gonna let it air dry. Ooh, child. It's the next day and them braids are looking ridiculous. But it's okay. It's okay. It's all hid under this beautiful wig. Y'all, I'm telling you, your wig will look so flawless if you mold your wig before you apply it. So that's why I always mousse my wig down, because I just feel it sets everything in place and everything just looks so flat and seamless. So yeah, I do recommend that you guys form and mold your wig. So now I'm just gonna pin all of the extra hair back out of the way so I can focus only on my baby hairs. So we're gonna go in with the mousse. Like I said, I only form my baby hairs with mousse, but you guys can form them with mousse and put like some Got to Be glue gel on top so that everything will not move. But mousse works for me. It doesn't really make a difference as long as you let everything dry in place. You'll be good. But if you're just worried about like your wig moving or anything like that, if you don't have a band, then you can just put some Got to Be glue on it and it'll just stick right onto your forehead. Baby, don't you hear me now? So I want you guys to understand that when doing your baby hairs, it's not going to always be quick and fast, and you're not always going to get it right on the first time. You may have to do it over a couple of times, but it's basically off of your preference and how you want your baby hairs to look. So my technique is basically brushing them and using my finger to like form them into place and get them all set. And then I just let everything dry before I let my hair down, and then I'm good to go. So now that my baby hairs are dry, I did let them air dry. You don't have to let yours air dry. You can use a blow dry to save time, especially if you're in a rush or you have somewhere to go. But I'm just going to use this cotton round and some alcohol, and I'm going to wipe my forehead just because I use a lot of foaming wrap. And I feel this is necessary when doing my baby hairs. It just helps them form more freely. And then I'm just going to go ahead and comb my wig into the style that I would like. That concludes this video, guys. If you like how my hair turned out, leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below and let me know any video ideas you guys might have or that you want to see me do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Baby,